Maintain your dental health with an expert dental checkup in London. Dental checkups are the key to good oral health and a beautiful smile. No matter how well you look after your teeth and gums, you need the expertise of a dentist to advise you on any issues that could cause you problems later on. Unfortunately, most issues that affect your teeth and gums, such as tooth decay and gum disease, don't cause any symptoms until they're quite advanced. And for this reason, you should see a dentist regularly so that they can identify any issues early on. The first thing that we do at every dental checkup is get to know you. We want to find out all about your history, both your dental history, your medical history, and your social history. We want to know all about any concerns or anxieties that you might have about visiting us, or just anything that you want to discuss before we look in your mouth. After this, we will carry out a full visual inspection of your teeth, gums, and soft tissues. We will chart any existing dental work. We'll probe the teeth and the gums, and also inspect the soft tissues very thoroughly for oral cancer or any other pathologies. Following this, we'll usually take some images, which will include photographs, x-rays, and 3D scans in some cases. Our x-ray software includes an AI that gives us a really good second opinion on any images that we take. Once we've made a diagnosis, we will explain it to you in detail. We never expect you to just take our word for a diagnosis. We have large TV screens in every surgery, and we will show you all the images that we have taken, the photos, the x-rays, and explain them to make sure that you fully understand what we are diagnosing you with and what we are suggesting to correct it. We'll break any treatment down into levels of urgency so that you can understand what needs to be done as soon as possible and what can wait. In some cases, we may make treatment plans that last 5 years or longer. Once we've worked out a provisional treatment plan, we will send this to you after your appointment through our online portal. At this point, you will have a chance to look at the costs, the stages, and all the details about the treatment. And you'll have the opportunity at that point to ask any questions or discuss anything with the dentist. And also, if you're interested in things like finance or insurance, our staff will advise you on this. How much does a dental checkup cost? For new patients, we have 2 different options for a dental checkup. If you've seen a dentist in the past 12 months and you're not having any issues, then we have the option of a first clean and check, which is a combined appointment with both the dentist and the hygienist. And the total cost for this is £220, including any x-rays. If it's been a while since you've seen a dentist and you've got some concerns, or you think there may be things going on, or just things that you want to discuss with the dentist, we recommend the comprehensive assessment appointment, which is a 40-minute appointment just with the dentist. And this costs £140, including any x-rays. How often should I have a dental checkup? The frequency of dental checkups really depends on how stable and how healthy your mouth is. Some people are absolutely fine to just have a checkup once a year, whereas if there is anything there that we're concerned about, like a history of a lot of tooth decay or unstable gum disease, or any concerns with the soft tissues in your mouth, we may see you as much as 3 to 4 times a year. Benefits of regular dental checkups. Maintaining good oral health. The only way to make sure that you're not developing any issues with your teeth, gums, or soft tissues is regular checkups with your dentist. Prevention. Your dentist can often spot potential future issues for you long before they become something that you're aware of. Consider non-intervention. At the Modern Dentist, we believe in putting you in control of your own oral health, and we will only intervene or advise active treatment where absolutely necessary. General health benefits. Research in recent decades has shown very strong links between oral health and general health. So making sure that you've got healthy teeth and gums is beneficial to making sure you maintain a healthy body. How long does a dental checkup take? The length of time a dental checkup takes depends on how healthy and stable your mouth is. For a routine checkup where there are no new issues and everything looks fine, it can take as as little as 10 minutes. Whereas for a new patient, for example, who hasn't seen a dentist for a while and where there are issues with the teeth and gums, the appointment can take up to 40 minutes. And in some cases, we'll even recommend a second visit if we need further records or more discussion. I'm nervous about having a checkup. What should I do? It's very normal to be nervous about having a checkup, especially if you haven't seen a dentist for a long time. What we recommend if you're feeling particularly anxious about seeing the dentist is that you come to visit the practice just so that you can get to know the team. We have a very friendly team who will show you around, give you a tour, and you can say hi to the dentist and hygienists and people that you'll be seeing. And this will help usually alleviate any anxiety that you feel about coming so that you can build up to the day when you actually come in for your checkup. Will I lose my NHS dentist if I go private? You won't lose access to your NHS dentist if you come to see a private dentist. Registration doesn't exist anymore on the NHS, and you are free to see any dentist at any time without jeopardizing your access to your NHS dentist.